so silver nitrate poured out pretty quick. If I lose light. That smell of silver nitrate. Okay. Go get the camera set up. All right. Well, hey there. Welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops, and welcome to Sturgeon Bay, beautiful Sturgeon Bay at sunset. And as is usual, I'm racing the light. So don't mind me. I get a little disjointed here. Just gonna get the camera set up. I've already got the trailer set up and I've got some silver nitrate in there. So it's just a matter of getting the camera set up here and getting a lens on. I'm gonna be using another old lens on this one. It's an old G Claron lens, and actually I got it off an enlarger lens it's an off an enlarger a long time ago, and put it into a old Polaroid film shutter, and put it into my nice iris here, so I could put it on pretty much any camera. So let me get it set up here, and get the lens open here. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. So where I've brought you to is this little birch tree that I've been photographing over the years, and that'd be a good night. Normally I don't do this kind of shot with wet plate because just blank skies don't really do much, but there were some clouds developing and I thought that maybe I could do something with them. But even so, clouds are kind of a difficult bet when you're using wet plate as well. So let's see here. Oh yeah, there you are. Beauty. Yeah, that looks really nice. I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to go back into the darkroom and pour a plate, and we'll see what kind of a shot this gives me. It's always worth the try, right? So let's go. Okay, so it's time to get a plate poured out here. kind of like working against the light like this. Makes you make quick decisions, and sometimes those are the best. You end up going more on instinct than you do on thought. There we go. That looks good. Get into this, into the silver bath. All right. Hey Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes, please. I'm even polite to my phone. Perfect, because I'm starting to get some clouds build up there. Just when I said that it was a cloudless sky. Looking good. All right. Okay. We're ready to go here. Let's see, you got everything set up to take the plate. All right, let's go. All right. Time for the big development. Get some developer poured out. All right. Get my headlamp on. All right, let's do this. I've got water in the tray. There we go. 2, 3, 2005, 2006. Oh, there it is. 2007, 2009, 2011, beautiful. Oh, very nice. Water. All right, let's go out, do the grand reveal here. All right, let's see here. All right, ready? Let's go. Very nice. Very nice. Very cool. All right, I am very happy. I'm gonna leave tonight at 1 plate. Why do you ask for more, right? So I'll have to get this all packed up here, but man, like I say, sometimes it pays to work quick because you end up just having to make choices rather than think them through too far. And I really love the results of this one. So just a quick video tonight, you guys. I really appreciate you coming along, all right? Lots more on wet plate in my channel here, so just kind of search through the playlists and things, and maybe join my Patreon, have a look at that too. Just look up Northlight Photographic Workshops on Patreon, and if you become a supporting member, it really helps me do a lot of this and creating this content and stuff. So appreciate your time, appreciate you watching. This is really cool. Got it just before sunset. All right, I'll do a scan of this and show it to you afterward as well. So, but thanks a lot. I'm gonna pack up now. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.